Hello everyone, my name is Ashara Charasia and currently I am pursuing Bachelor's in Anesthesia and Operation Theatre Technology at Lovely Professional University. In today's video, I'll be explaining the structure and functions of neurons and how they communicate through synapse in a very easy to understand and clear way. So let's begin the video. Neurons are the building blocks of nervous system and are essential for communication, memory, sensation and every throughout we have. Neurons are the specialized cells designed for transfer of impulse. It has three main parts: dendrites, cell body, and axon. Dendrites are the small branching structures which receives information and carries it towards the cell body. The cell body has nucleus and organs. It integrates all the signals received and decides whether to form the nerve impulse or not. The axon is a long single branching extension which carries away the information from the cell body. Many axons are surrounded by myelin sheath formed by Schwann cells in peripheral nervous system and oligodendrocytes in central nervous system. These myelin sheath provide saltatory conduction, provides insulation, and allows faster nerve impulse conduction. At the end of axon, we have axon terminals, which forms the synapse with muscles or neurons. Now, let us understand how a neuron functions. Neurons communicate through electrical signalings known as action potential. When a neuron is stimulated, it depolarizes. That is, sodium starts getting into the cell. This creates an electrical impulse, which runs throughout the length of axon, reaches the axon terminal, and triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. That is, in a neuron, electrical signals are converted into chemical signals, back into electrical signals into the next neuron. Let us now understand the structure and functions of synapse. Neurons communicate with each other through these synapses. A synapse has three main parts: presynaptic neuron, synaptic cleft, and postsynaptic neuron. Presynaptic neuron is the neuron which sends the signal. Synaptic cleft is a tiny gap between the two neurons, and the postsynaptic neuron is the neurons which receives the signals. So how does the synaptic transmission occur? As the nerve impulse reaches the axon terminal, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, GABA, serotonin, and dopamine binds with their specific receptors present on the postsynaptic neuron. This triggers the formation of new electrical impulse in the next neuron. It is important to note that at the synapse, the communication is chemical, not electrical. So, to summarize my video, neurons receive, process, and transmits the impulse. Meanwhile, synapse allows communication between two neurons through the neurotransmitter. That's all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind.